welcome back to Live Daily. If this is your first time viewing my channel, thanks for watching with us. Today I am going to be showing you my June 2019 Sephora beauty haul. So, we got a bag full. I got some Drunk Elephant facial cleanser and polypeptide cream. I'll have to let you guys know how this works. I'm not gonna use this today, but just know I have it. I got some Hydro Grip Primer by Milk Makeup. I've heard some great things about this, so I'm really excited to use it. I got Lock-It Foundation by Kat Von D. I got this foundation because I really needed to find something that was waterproof, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. Apparently this is 24-hour wear, full coverage, and they say it's supposed to be waterproof, but I mean, I guess we'll see. And yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. I got some contour and bronzer cream by Huda Beauty. You guys, I've never used Huda before, so this is definitely going to be an honest, unbandwagon opinion. I got some Huda Beauty matte and metal eyeshadows. The product that I'm probably most excited about is my new Nude Huda Beauty palette. I'm like a fiend for glitter, so yeah, like this palette was calling my name, y'all. I couldn't resist it. I'm gonna hydrate my face before I get started with anything. I like to use my Becca Skin Love Glow Shield as a moisturizer, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on. Y'all, this just smells so good and so hydrating. Okay, y'all, so I guess it would only be proper for us to start with our primer, which was our Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Let's see, it says hemp-derived cannabis extract, blue agave extract, activate all-day hydration and hold. Oil-free, silicone-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan. Pretty much seems to suit every single special category there is, I guess. Okay, so it's green. It comes with this really cute itty-bitty pump, y'all. Let's just... Oh, there we go. Y'all, I'm not really sure how this stuff smells. To me, it smells like... It's not like a fragrance, but it's like a clean, almost like aloe vera, like hospital type smell. I don't know. To me, it kind of smells like a hospital, but whatever. I will give you my first impression of this stuff. Y'all, it's really sticky. It smells like a hospital. And yeah, I kind of really love it. So, this seems like it was definitely a good buy so far. Let's move on next to our, trying to wipe this off with a makeup wipe and makes your hands kind of slimy. Ugh. I'm going to move on next to my Kat Von D foundation. Let's see what it says about this. It says 24-hour wear, full coverage, transfer resistant, and matte finish. You guys, the lady at Sephora told me that this is waterproof. I mean, let's find out, because I had to choose between this and the Urban Decay All-Nighter foundation. So it comes in a bottle that looks like this. Oh, okay, so I figured, oh, well, that piece is gone. It came with a little piece attached to this, and I'm assuming it's like some sort of cap. I hope I don't need it because I just dropped it on the floor, and honestly, I'm not gonna look for it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my hand to warm it up. First impressions on this. She is definitely full coverage. Like, I'm talking full coverage. Like, you know, let's try something. I've put a dot of this on my tattoo. I kind of want to see if this... Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to go ahead and tell you, if you layer this just a little bit, you might have a full coverage tattoo concealer. And voila, it's gone. So yeah, y'all, if this thing can cover up my tattoos, then I'm pretty sure it will cover up any and all imperfections on your face. Next, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Contour and Bronze Cream. It doesn't really say much about this. I don't know. Let's see how she works. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Tan and tone. Alright, girlfriend. Tan and tone. Let's see. And it smells like crayons. I'm just going to put my finger in this to... It's really silky. It's definitely a cream contour. Whoa, y'all. This stuff goes a long way, so I'm just gonna blend this in a little bit better. Okay guys, I'm a little obsessed with this. Like, it's definitely gonna give you a more natural contour. Like, I'm on the bandwagon with it. It's cute. It's really cute. I've been in search of a new bronzer for a while, so I think that Miss Huda might have won me over. Okay guys, so first impressions. It's creamy and it's really pigmented, but at the same time, like, really natural. I really like the way that it blends with my liquid foundation. It does a very good job. Let me try to do my nose. Okay, y'all, so at this point I'm a little bit irritated. I just had to switch from my camera to my phone because for whatever reason it keeps telling me that the battery is exhausted or whatever, and it's fully charged, and so yeah, I'm gonna have to troubleshoot that later. Back to our product. Y'all, I just did my nose and my cheeks and my forehead, and y'all, the face looks snatched. Like, it looks so good. I think I'm gonna try this matte and metal right now. Okay, so this side comes with what looks like a little doe's foot. Okay, so this limelight is definitely a little bit yellow. I'm just gonna go in with the other color on the other side, which is gold chains, and see if I can blend some of this out with it, because you guys, it's actually really pretty. Definitely need to go into a different palette and see if there is something that I can blend this stuff out with. So let's take our new Nude palette by Huda Beauty. The outside looks like, ooh, pretty. When I open it up, this is what I see. You guys, oh, I'm dying right now. Please look. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I wish my camera was working right now. Like, iPhone is not doing this justice. Y'all, it's so beautiful. I gotta blend this out though. Oh. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, I don't know what to blend yellow out with. I guess I'm gonna try this color Play and see how that works. Oh, next, I guess I will take the color Tease. This color right here. It's kind of purplish. And I'm gonna, like, put that down in my crease and see how that comes out. Not the best eyeshadow look I've ever done in my life, but I guess maybe not the worst. Right? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and jump for it and take this color Love Bite, and I'm just gonna put it right here on the outside and see if I can try to bring this goldish color together with these purples and pinks and stuff. So I'm gonna try to finish up my eyes with some eyeliner and see if that kind of brings this all together. I know it doesn't look absolutely terrible right now. I'm just not feeling it, so. Okay, y'all, so after putting on some eyeliner and a little bit of mascara, everything seems to blend together pretty well. That concludes my beauty haul for the month of June. Out of all of these products though, if I had to pick a favorite, that's really hard for me to do. So I'm not gonna pick a favorite because I mean I really like almost all of these. The one that I like the least at the moment is probably going to be the matte and metal eyeshadow by Huda, because I mean I just have to learn how to use it better. I mean, it's definitely not something that you want to put on your face if you don't know how to use it. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this primer. This primer is great. The foundation, y'all, as far as transfer goes, it just doesn't. Like, it's really great. This stuff works together really well. I love the bronzer. I love this palette, y'all. These are great buys. I would definitely buy all of these products again. Thanks for watching Live Daily. I will be back with some fresh new content later in the week. Bye, guys.